We don't even full up Jamaica yet, much less feet overpopulated. But that top axe full in this year, man. You understand? People, you know, a Sunday, you know, I catch a last pizza at brunch. So I'm not going to stay all night. So I just come to talk about Angie all this and the COVID something that I'm going to talk now about Popcaan and Jacure. Hold on 1 second. Icon, what go on? Man say me think Jamaica overpopulated. The amount of empty bush there, St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland. The amount of place where the people live. Where government are hold on and say a government land. Anyway. Right now, remember, you know, people, me not talk about nothing unless it's in a public space already. Right now, America, me there. A Fort Lauderdale me live. So, me no know what go on a Jamaica unless it's in the public space. Now, the latest thing when me hear go on a Jamaica now is Jacure and Popcaan kick off. See? Icon. I don't think you hear that one yet in the Icon. You understand? Me say Jacure and Popcaan kick off big time. First thing before me go in a story, let's hope that them can resolve the little problem before it get crazy. See? Me know you see in a recent times Papi and Jacure in a them video and all the vibes and they all up at the yard and all the vibe. Allegedly, same situation again. Before me even get it, Jacure, my brother, I tell you last time I do a video say, please get help. I say, please get help. You not get it yet? Brother, Lego ego, Lego stubbornness, get help. See? Get help, my friend. Remember, you know, you this selector again what the advice not to where listening. Where you say, oh, you know, say, I tell every selector go suck them and them run me down for dub and rare. Alright, no problem. See? But cure, please. Find a cure. See? Get help, my brother. Because the whole I talks them are connected to cure and whole I street man them are connected to cure. And if you talk to him, tell him to get help. See? So how the story go now is like cure a link with somebody, see? And it's like the linkage of cure make them have a meeting at the yard and the meeting now go. Oh, Cure expect the meeting figure, you see me? Yeah, so Cure get angry now and, you know, decide say the meeting done and the person can't left until them agree to where Cure deal with the proposal where Cure put on the table in the meeting. Now, the person gets scared and paranoid and Cure a cuss and I go out base up, man. The person call Papi. See? Because the person know Popcaan to one thing. He's a person from overseas. Yeah? And the person called Popcaan and say, Andre, I need you to come get me. See? And Andre comes, so boom, and pick up a second, who is an artist as well. I'm not going to call the artist name. But Popcaan pick up the artist and say, alright. Remember, these are the allegations toward me here, right? Popcaan comes a boop and drive, go up a Cure yard and must say I call Cure on the phone and Cure not answer. Call Cure, Cure not answer. Call Cure, Cure not answer. So Papi comes a boom and must say tailgate, as according to the allegations. Tailgate and go in a complex and because I want townhouse, like remote gate townhouse. And go in there and link the person and the person ready for cut and Cure a war. I say, yo, one man reach him yard and in business and a film business and Papi fi go and go suck in mama and right and Cure must say wheel off him last year, see me? And the person whether they with Papi must have license gun or something like that and wheel off him license gun and say nothing like that can't go on, a chop up can't go on, a ray can't go on. You see me? And big excitement in the yard and neighbors are peep out and be a thing. And the person where Cure had the meeting with and it never worked out. Cut with Papi. And then me used to know Cure a link and I tell people say Papi come and me had come this him and Zine I say Papi this him and be a thing and then Papi I tell him and them say Cure violate car. Cure shouldn't do what him do and big excitement a go on a yard man. Be a problem. You understand me I say? My thing is how me know all of that? Bossed called that. Come on, the viral king. But remember this is an allegation. Cause me never did it. See? So this is allegation based upon information when me received. So me say the two of them at odds right now and be it thing a go on and be curious say him I go lick Papi in him face anyway him see him and Papi I say anyway him see him I lick in her face and you know the allegations them not sound good, you see me? You see me, the allegation them not sound good. But me just a say Bridget. What me I try to say? Zine? Cure. Sicker. Zine? Please. May I beg you, brother. Me I beg you. Remember you don't rate no selector, you don't like no selector. So me include myself in it because me a selector. So you go down and like me, you go down and rate me. You go down and feel like Foota one big idiot. Zine? Just because of your ego. Brother, get help. Get help. Zine? Get help, my brother. Yeah, me don't know if you want to go to prison or what. Me don't know if you want. Sometimes we have to understand and chill a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Chill a little bit, dog. Sometimes a death swing over your head or prison, you know, man. You understand what I say? So I feel like, you know what I mean? You know, we have to chill more time, man. You see me? We have to cure. You need to go talk to a professional. You understand what I say? And anybody there on Cure where love Cure, anybody there on the singer will love the singer. When you see that video, nobody talk a fuck in the artist ears, bitch. But I tell the artist, oh the boy Foota them, oh yeah man, Popcaan them. Me and Popcaan are good and me and Cure are good. Me no business about that. But Cure, you need to calm the fuck down, dog. You need to get a hold of yourself before wrong things happen. Before you end up at jail again. Or you somebody go at it and then kill you, man. Come on, dog. Like, seriously? You're one of the greatest voices them we ever hear in Jamaica. You are a legend, my friend. Maintain your thing, no man. So relax, no brother. Calm down, no man. Me I beg you, brother, please. Alright, you know how weird people? To how me rate Jackie with that. Like, to how me rate the man that. To how your life are weird something, you know. Life is a weird thing, you know. Sometimes when you don't know the love and respect where a person have for you because you're not focused, I make you violate them people. Sometimes you have to stop and look, you know what I say? Yeah, you know what I mean? Like, Papi should not fear come up on your yard if you come get nobody out of your house, brother. I run, you have to run out the person out of your house. Make Papi have to end up pick them up out the door. You understand me I say? What do you go say? You know, say, I meet tell every selector go suck them mother and them still a fight for. So you don't even have no remorse over what you do. And you now realize, say, all the millions where you have, a selector help make you have the millions. Because really and truly, if every selector rate them, well, rate them and a selector anyway. If every selector have stop play right now, and when they send new song, them not look on it, you could have deal. The suffering are going to come, the hungry are going to come. If selector for boycott Jackie or now, all the millions where you have, you going to start feel threatened. You understand what I say? So, I say, brother, get some help here, sir. Call a psychiatrist or something. You know, say me a youth where connect you to some serious link where you did one a long time. And man rate you, but dog, you lose yourself, brother. Get a hold of yourself, man. The fuck wrong with you, man? Get a hold of yourself, brother. Me tell you already, come off of the social media thing, you know, brother. Post your music. Post when you perform. Allow the personal life part out of it, brother. Allow the bag of posting of shoes and clothes and a hype and how you're rich and you. Stop it, brother. Get a hold of yourself and never say you used to stay, brother. I not say you used to stay, man. Me no business when nobody wants to. As an artist, Jackie, you're a legend. Jackie, you have some of the biggest hit them in a reggae. Jackie, you're in demand more than a whole heap of artists. Some place in the world Jackie, you're go, nobody no go. Zine? But at the end of the day, that still don't override the fact say, you do some whole of fuck with my youth. Get a hold of your bumbuckler self, my youth. Get a hold of yourself, bad man. Get a hold of yourself, rude boy. Me not like how you going, dog. Now you and Papi cool now. You make me, you and Papi have problem now. Remember me and Papi no good neither, but I care zero. I don't business. What me I say, you and Papi eat good. You see me? Now you make Papi see other people in mafia try save you from getting a problem and save the other person from. You know if you do that, my youth? Come on, dog. You think me feel good at this? Me just try one here before it's too late, brother. You go either get hurt or you go end up in prison, brother. You understand what I say? Me not think Jackie are broke. Anybody who has said that, me not know about Jackie then. Jackie will charge a lot of money for shows. You better, in this pandemic, anybody will lose money. See? So say, him spend and him lose some money. But him not broke. To say he's broke, I would never agree. Jackie can't broke so easy. See? Jackie can't broke so. His money might dip because of pandemic. Everybody money dip. You understand? You understand? Yeah, but if you say Jackie are broke now, I would never say that. You see me? But he need to calm down, man. The ego and the hype and the something that me nah work with that. You see me? Yeah. So people, are the allegation that right now Popcaan Popcaan and Jacure at odds. I go at it neck and neck. And the reason why I bring this up to the public, come on, the public start to watch it, two of them. Because I don't want none of them hurt them one another. And I don't want them doing a fuckery to end up in prison. That's why I come make sure it's public. So they know say now the whole world are watching it. So I have to calm the fuck down. Because if this just low and go quiet, fuckery I go on. You understand? Yeah. So them not good people. When if you go under them page and go ask them what them have. Seem like when you come under my page and ask me and in my DM and ask me, you understand? When you go make sure ask Jackie on them page, where you and Popcaan have? And go on the Popcaan page, go ask him say, where you and Jackie have? You understand? Because when it publicized them can't war again, you know. Like how me make this public now. I know by tomorrow I'll be a newspaper and be a thing, every blogger, everywhere I put it up. Yeah, them can't war again. That's why I do this. Because me and none of them are a friend. None of them not like me. Because me the man just talk my mind and sometimes I clout them too. So them not like me. But me know what happen when things quiet and not publicized. People will get hurt. You understand? Yeah. So, big up on yourself. And the life that for the night. You see me? Bless up on yourself. Love goes out. Service announcement. If you not ask me opinion on the song, you have to pay me. Some people, you get talk to them, you are going in a problem. Crosses are going to take you.